What's up guys, it's Austin, and today I'm getting the Yugo ready to go somewhere very, very special. So let's get going. So I won't tell you who, but a YouTuber in North Carolina with a very substantial number of subscribers has expressed interest. Well, we've actually agreed to do a video on the Yugo. So today I'm just getting it ready. Originally I was going to do a couple videos of it because I thought the carburetor was going to take longer. I was going to do that a separate video, a couple other things as separate videos, but the carburetor took like 20 minutes, so can't really do a video on that. I'm just going to be going over the whole car. I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay. I'm going to be fixing little things around it, doing interior detail, washing the outside, just getting it ready to be on camera again, because throughout the winter this has been in my garage. It has not come out. It does not like the cold, so hopefully I can get it back to where I want it to be. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay, because last time I drove it, I put oil in it and then forgot to put the cap back on. I know, stupid mistake, don't yell at me. But as I was driving, I realized, man, there's a lot of smoke. Open the engine, and there's oil everywhere. So I got to clean all that out, got to get it looking nice again, and then I'm going to wash the outside. But let's start with that. So here's what the engine bay looks like right now. You can see all the oil spots up there. Basically just a bunch of grime in here. I'm going to wire the radiator fan back in, but basically I'm just going to be cleaning it up. This switch, this household light switch, actually controls the radiator fans, and I accidentally kicked it. So what I want to do is kind of, I don't know, fix it and replace that in the future with something else. I don't have time today to go by the store, but I'm just going to fix that right now in case I want to drive it. The last thing I want to fix is this little piece of trim right here. It's been bothering me for a while, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a wire brush, clean it off, and then just get some adhesive and stick it onto it, close the door, and let it sit for a little bit. Next thing I want to do is fix that piece of trim. I'm just going to get some kind of like adhesive, and then get a C-clamp, put it down. Hopefully it'll It'll stop it from peeling up anymore. Eventually I'm going to replace all this, it's just I haven't gotten the time or the money right now. So that's the majority of what I wanted to get to the Yugo done. There's still a couple other things I'm going to work on throughout the coming weeks, but I'm really excited to take it up to North Carolina for this really big YouTuber to make a video on it. If y'all have any guesses as to who it is, let me know in the comments, and as always, if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.